Welcome! What I'm going to show you here today is how to create a franchise territory map from zip codes using Mango Map. Mango Map is an online mapping platform, cloud-based, and you can sign up for a 30-day free trial at mangomap.com. So, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is add a new layer to my map. So I will go to the Layers tab, click Add Layer, and I am going to upload a data set. I will be uploading a shapefile, and there are 4 components to a shapefile: a SHP, a DBF, a PRJ, and a SHX. So I can multi-select those files, click Open, and click Save so we can store it in the account. Once you have saved, we will set the transparency to 40% so we'll be able to see our new territories when we create it later. Once we are done, we can click Save. And now if we take a look at the US where these zip codes are, and I click one of these zip codes, I get a pop-up of information. So this is the demographic information that's being provided along with this data. It might be more, it might be less, depending on where you got the data. You'll notice that the column names are a little bit cryptic and a bit short. So the next thing we're going to do is change the names so they're more informative and meaningful. To do that, I will head over to the Layers tab, then I will click Edit, click the Formatting tab, and I will change the label for these columns or these field names. The first one's going to be zip code, then total population, total households, population per square mile, median income, and because this is a dollar value, I will format it as dollars. Median age, and I'm going to make it a whole number. The next name is unemployment rate, and territory name and territory status. Now, these last 2 are very important because I'm going to use them to do my territory mapping. Once I'm done, I'm going to click Save. And now, when I click on a zip code, I'll see that the labels are much easier to read. The next thing that I'm going to do is to format this pop-up to make it look nicer. So I'm going to go back to Layers, edit the layer again, go to Pop-up, and I will select Custom. So now I will start to move the territory name and territory status to the top here, and I'm going to format them with a header style. I will also insert a line break, and lastly, I will also insert a table. I will insert a table that has 7 rows and 2 columns. Then I'm going to cut and paste that text into the table like so. I will move the value to the right-hand column. And the last thing I'm going to do is make the text bold. There we go. Once I'm done, I will click Save. And now if I go to a zip code, I should see a nicely formatted pop-up like so.